Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to automatically answer your incoming call on your Android phone. So if you are using Samsung Galaxy phone, you don't need to download any third-party extra app on your phone. So I am using Samsung phone. So just you need to open the Samsung phone app. You don't need to open other app, just you need to open the Samsung phone app like this. Okay, after opening guys, here in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here open the settings like this. In these settings guys, here you can get the option answering and ending calls. Just tap on it. Here you can get the option answer automatically. Just you need to enable this option. That's it, like this. And if you want to set the certain time duration to answer that call, just tap on it. Here you can get different time duration option. If you want to customize that time, just tap on customize time and set the seconds. Okay, so I am selecting 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds guys, whenever the incoming call will receive in my phone, after 5 seconds it will automatically received. Okay, so this is the very nice and very useful feature to receive incoming call automatically. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.